Welcome back to another episode on the Boosted John YouTube channel. Today, not only are you going to see a first drive in the new Integra GSR, you're also going to see some much needed shifter upgrades for the 8th Gen Civic Si sent out by my friends over at Acuity. Links to all products used in the description down below. I do make a small commission off of Acuity products to help support my channel and help support Acuity. With that said, let's get started. In the last episode, I bought this 2000 Integra GSR from my friend Joe for a great deal because it had brake line issues. The rear lines were completely rotted out and leaked all the fluid out. After installing the new stainless steel rear lines, I tried to bleed the brakes but found that no brake fluid would travel to the rear. I ultimately ended up diagnosing this as a stuck proportioning valve, and in today's episode, we are going to fix that issue, take it out for its first test trip, and get it listed for sale. All right, hopefully getting the first drive on this Integra today, replacing the proportioning valve. Hopefully this allows me to bleed the brakes. If you are hearing Christmas music in the background, that is because Kearney is over here baking cookies in the garage. What do we got so far? Let's show them. Oh, wow. We got a candle going. Actually, we got 2 candles going. Boom. Anyway, I'm gonna throw in this prop and see if I can get these brakes to bleed. If they bleed, we're going for a ride. Here goes. Feel mushy. Oh, holy shit, dude. So much brake fluid is in the ground up there. Dude, it's just leaking hella fluid. Boys, we just had a little bit of a worst case Ontario situation. The new proportioning valve is the wrong proportioning valve. And the thing is, it's not my fault, I swear. The listing said it was for a 2000 Acura Integra, and here is the new proportioning valve. What you're gonna notice about the inside of these fittings is that they are for ball flare, right? I think that's what it's called, right? It's a different style flare on the end of the hard line for this new proportioning valve. So I installed it and I had Kearney pump the brakes, as you just saw, and it started leaking all over the ground. It's super annoying because there's only one other proportioning valve for this car for sale on eBay, and it's not gonna get here for like a week. That's great. Now I gotta put the wheels back on, take it off jack stands, and so annoying, dude. I thought I was gonna be ready to go after tonight. That sucks. Big dub moment for the Boosted John YouTube channel. Kern Dog just finished college. Yay. Officially finished her last assignment in college ever. Woo! I finally have the part needed to finish this car and get it running and driving and rolling and out on the road and braking and doing what it needs to do. So I'm going to be basically finishing this car today and getting it listed for sale on Facebook Marketplace. And obviously, we gotta take it out for a rip. But before we get into any Integra stuff, I have another extremely exciting part that was sent to me by my friends over at Acuity for the 8th Gen Civic Si. The car is parked just outside the garage, but let me show you the mods that we're gonna be doing today because guys, it is going to be sick. Ah, there we go. Come on, baby. Oh, man. Look at that. That's so funny, dude. With the white shift knob, guys, this is too funny. That's too good. So that's everything that I have from Acuity. Let's go get it installed on the 8th Gen. I'm so excited, especially to refresh the shift boot with the white. Oh my God, it's gonna look so good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started installing the Acuity shifter stuff on the 8th Gen. I'm gonna have to remove the old shift boot and redo it. And in the meantime, Lupe came through. Shout out to Lupe. He is going to be helping with the Integra. He's installing the new proportioning valve, and then we're gonna bleed the brakes and hopefully take it for a ride. We are in a little bit of a time crunch though, because the next World Cup game starts in like 30 minutes at this point, so we gotta crank. Easy enough. F. Stage 2, shift boot. Hey, take it easy. All right, so slight miscalculation here. I was going to do the boot, but I have no, but I have no way to attach it to the shifter like trim. Stop! Because it was stapled in and I don't have a staple gun. Come on, bud. Hop in. Be right back, turkey.
Fuck, I don't know.
Yeah, right?
No,
we need. There's more fun this year.
Oh, they thought
Oh shit.
it has an English accent, and it's like, and it's a goal, and it's like 3 minutes of silence. They're like,
Way more lame.
yeah, way more lame.
Yeah, it works. I've never watched soccer before, but obviously the World Cup's football, I'm sorry. But obviously the World Cup's going on right now, so we're posted up in the garage. We got the big speakers going up top.
Racing seats.
Racing seats, yeah, dude, we're just out here in the EK seats. All right, new boot, Acuity collar going on. Here goes. And then, let's see, we gotta go like this, push it down. And then this is the jam nut slash like collar adapter. Oh, that guy will get all the way on there, so it's out of the way. Next, oh no, not next. This is next. Dude, that's my favorite little thing right there. Oh, dude, it's so funny. And the new Esco insulated knob. Super excited about this.
look at that grip on that knob. You got practice.
Slide the collar up. Boom. There it is, boys. Dude, the knob looks awesome. This is so funny. Like how it just dangles in between shifts, dude. Oh, that's too good. We should take it for a little drive. We should take it around the block real quick. I love the size and shape of this knob, and the length, and the girth on it. Actually, it's great. All right, what do you think, dog? Oh, that's fire. I think it looks super good with the suede steering wheel, the fresh shifter boot. Once this boot breaks in a little bit and like stops being so like, I don't know, how would you describe this? Like stiff?
Stiff, yeah.
Dude, this stiff boot right next to this stiff knob.
Oh, that's perfect. The stiffer the better, bro. Come on.
Dude, yeah, dude. I like this a lot. It's nice.
Ooh, I like the suede. I like that better.
The Lightning?
The Lightning.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Rip on walking.
Yeah, true. I feel like,
actually feels smooth.
yeah, the clutch is like way easier on this car.
Yeah.
It's like the easiest clutch. Oh, dude, way easier. When the clutch grabs as low as it does on the 8th gen, it's way better.
I like how the steering wheel feels, but I don't know.
It's definitely dirty at this point. Like, I need to clean it. You can like tell it's like almost feels wet. I don't know if that's just me.
I like it. I'm gonna be dead honest.
Hell yeah.
You gotta make sure it's in neutral, you know?
Wiggle though.
Hey, you gotta tickle it.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, what did I just see? Cut that out, cut that out. Guys, I'm sorry for the wind turbine audio right now, but I'm literally editing in the garage and music is blasting and it's just too good of an experience for me to stop. Anyway, Lupe is going to be installing the new prop. I'm going to help him finish it up and then we're going to go ahead and bleed the brakes and get the Integra on the ground. Woo! Dude, that's such a win. All right, so the rears actually bled perfectly. I had Lupe pumping. I was in the back, cracking them loose. The rears actually bled, which is what I've been fighting this whole time. So that's such a huge win. I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the front. Just bleed the fronts for good measure, might as well. And then this thing should be pretty much good to go.
How many clicks did you put that on?
Like 2.
Alright, you're good. Damn, that's too quick as shit.
I'll see you guys once the fronts are bled.
I'm not. Man, it could be David.
Sounds a little odd. It's like there's like, I think it's lifter. Probably needs a valve adjustment. Oh yeah. All right, first drive in the Integra, here we go. Woo, dude, riding in luxury.
Sounds like a Honda.
Whoa. Like everything rattles.
How is that?
Dude, power steering on this feels really weird. It's like weird to have power steering with a steering wheel this big. Oh, dude, the suspension. Dude, I mean, brakes feel good. All right, all right.
Where's the nearest Harbor Freight?
Oh, we can't take this, dude. I would, but we can't.
Huh?
There's an Ace Hardware down the street.
Brakes work.
Dude, the VTEC.
You smelling the brake fluid?
Yeah, I probably should have brought a fire extinguisher just in case the cat catches on fire. There's a ton of brake fluid on the cat. Dude, GSR NA is pretty fun. Like this engine is pretty fun. Horn doesn't work. That's cool.
Horn doesn't work? You don't need a horn.
No, definitely not. Alright, dude, do you want to try driving it?
Sure, fuck it, why not?
Alright.
Probably gonna stall this little car.
Hell yeah, perfect. What do they call it? Chinese fire drill?
I think that's what they call it.
Alright. See if it's down.
How's the clutch feel in this piece of shit?
It grabs high. Very high. Oh, dude, this is sick. A little camera holder.
Yep, it's high.
The e-brake doesn't work. Just know that.
Yep, it grabs high.
It's super high, yeah. And then my 8th gen grabs like immediately.
Really?
So it's like when I get in the EG or then I get back in the 8th gen.
It's definitely smoking.
Oh, really?
I see it. Yeah, it's stupid high. I don't know why.
Yeah. We'll make it right here. We'll just make our way back to the garage, and then we'll make sure it's not gonna catch on fire.
Yeah, I don't know why this stupid. It's like literally right before you're about to let go. It's like
yeah, you get used to it. Like you would have to drive for a little bit. Yeah, right here. Dude, first rips in the Integra. Does driving it make me want to keep it? Probably not.
Nah, just sell it.
Yeah, 100%. Oh yeah, dude, it's smoking big time.
That's what I told you. It's smoking.
Oh, it would have caught on fire for sure. Yeah, good thing that we just heated it up enough where now it can burn off, but hopefully not catch on fire. So during the process of bleeding the brakes and like dealing with this prop leaking and stuff, it leaked a lot of brake fluid onto the cat, which is, as you can see, kind of sketch. But I think we got it hot enough where now the brake fluid's gonna burn off and not actually catch on fire, which is good. So I'll have to take it out for a couple drives to kind of burn off the brake fluid from the exhaust. There's not really a good way for me to clean that. I mean, I could spray brake cleaner in there, but I don't know. I think there's gonna be still so much residual. It probably just makes sense to drive it a few times and burn it off. So.
Piece of shit.
Someone buy it.
It's pretty fun, not gonna lie. It's like I've never actually driven a Honda, but it's not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad. I still go my Toyota. So.
About to convert a Toyota fanboy to a Honda fanboy right now. All right, boys, Taz and I are taking her home. That's kind of where this car is gonna remain until it sells. Got Taz in the back there. Left the 8th gen over at the garage, and just hoping we make it home safe. I don't have plates on it, so doing my best. Well, it's gonna be time to wash this jacket. The Integra is home. What do you think, Taz? Oh, you're peeing? Okay. Well, guys, there you have it. The Integra is home, safe, and ready to be listed for sale. If any of you guys are interested in picking up the car, feel free to message me on Instagram at boosted_John. Link to my Instagram will be in the description down below, as well as the product links from Acuity. If you don't have Instagram and you're interested in the car, you are more than welcome to email me at drivewaysjackstands@gmail.com. I'll also have that in the description down below. This video took an extremely long time to make. If you enjoyed the video, if you learned anything new, if it made you smile, whatever it is, please click that like button, and most importantly, please subscribe. I put a ton of time into these videos, and I'm now actually doing YouTube full-time. I quit my job at Tesla. This is kind of my announcement, I guess. I'll make a whole video on it at some point, but I'm not ready to talk about it yet. It's all peaceful, but I'm now doing YouTube full-time. Kind of just took that risk, took that jump. I don't even know how I'm gonna pull this off, but if you guys wouldn't mind subscribing and leaving a like on the video, really helps me in the algorithm, helps the video do better, which helps me grow and makes it even more possible to do things like this. Again, I earn a small commission on the Acuity products, so if you need any car parts that are dope for your car, check out the links to Acuity in the description down below. And the only other real way to support the channel right now, other than just watching all the videos, would be to check out the link in the description down below to www.blownmotorclub.com. That merch store is only going to be open until the end of the year, December 31st. So after that, I'm completely shutting down the merch website. I'm rebuilding it. There won't be any more Boosted John merch for a while, and the designs that are currently up there will not be offered once I close it down ever again. Get them while they're hot, get them while they're there. You guys will be the OGs. If I see you out in public wearing this OG Boosted John merch, you are a true OG. Scary times ahead, but good times. So I'm excited, future's bright. Let's do it, boys. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm sure it's gonna be exciting. It should be. Might be one more like in between video here, but after that, guys, I'm telling you, the Boosted John YouTube channel has never seen anything like what I'm about to do. So I'm so excited. All I have to do is get this Integra sold and get rid of the EK shell. And we are so close to doing some really, really cool stuff here. So anyway, that was a long enough rant. Again, thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for watching. And if you're still here listening to me talk right now, comment turkey. Love you guys. And as I always say, let's remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain our goals. Bye.
Mm-hmm.